Welcome to the Box Inventory app. I have these painting supplies here and I'm going to put them in that box. Box 3. Whenever you're packing and organizing, you want to have lots of table space. And when you put your numbered labels on the box, put them on two sides so when you store it you can orient it in either direction. Let's fire up the app. First time you have to give your list a name, so give it a nice meaningful name. And it's box 3. Normally you'd start at 1, but if you're just going to increment, you can hit the plus sign. Hit voice enter. Paintbrush. And if you're offline, you would just tap in here and type it in. Hit add, and there's your first item. It stays at box 3, so you can enter your items quickly. Just remember to change it when you get to the next box. And you have to start talking right when it beeps, because it times out quicker than the regular voice, but that's so you can move quickly. Sandpaper. Rope. Rags. Okay, now you may be thinking, I don't know, rope, is that really a painting supply? Well, it's really not that critical now because it'll tell you where everything is anyway. If I select an item from over here, it shows up here and I can edit it. I could change the name or I could put it in a different box. Hit edit. And if I select an item and hit delete if you want to discard it. Down here there's new and copy. New, you can add a new list. You can have multiple lists. It'll prompt you for a name. I don't use that because I just have one big list because it's all my stuff. But there might be a need. The important thing is backup. You always want to back up your work. Hit copy. It'll prompt you for a name. And actually, see this microphone down here is another voice enter. Call it backup. Backup. Hit OK. Current list. This is a drop down of your lists. Right now it's on your new list. And here's the original list. Just make sure when you're running this that you're on the list that you had intended. Now your old list looks just like the new one. Only a trained eye can tell the difference. And that's why this app requires external storage. If I go to File Manager, the Box Inventory folder has my lists. Now to truly back it up, you would hit the copy icon, select your item to back up, hit copy, go to internal storage, which is a little misleading, and I have a folder called backup. Hit OK. And there you go. And copy it to your PC too. What if you lose your phone? You could freak out. Oh my God, I lost my phone! Or you just reinstall the app on another phone, copy the list into the Box Inventory folder. Just do it within 2 hours of taking a chill pill. Here's my list here. So I'll hit copy, and I'll copy this list into the Box Inventory folder. Go back to the app. And there it is in my drop down. So this is a real list here. You can scroll and you can sort by box or by item. Actually, if you turn it this way, once you've entered all your stuff and you're using this to find things, it works better this way because some of your longer names don't wrap around. So it's in alphabetical order, right? So let's say you want a hammer. You know, B, C, D. Or you hit voice find, hammer. And there's my hammers. If you're offline, you would just tap in here, type it in, and hit the find button. So now this button says show all. And we're back to our list. So let's say I want to find a screwdriver. If I say screw, it shows me everything with screw in it. And that's the only screwy thing you'll find, I swear. No, seriously, if you find anything screwy, let me know. Okay, what else? When you're naming your items, think about how they'll show up alphabetically. Like internet cable, you might want to call it cable internet. I have my books all start with book. When you enter your 20th item, you have to pay a one-time fee. It's a couple dollars, but by then you should know whether you find the app useful or not. You can avoid the fee by having multiple lists with less than 20 items in them, but I think you're better off with one big list. And there you have it, the Box Inventory app.